K-Speed with the Ultras, the Ultra that hasn't changed since the hull hasn't changed since 2007. K-Speed for the longest time just had a pump wedge because the ride plate was neutral. The ride plate wasn't slowing you down. What was slowing you down was the heft of the ski. It just sat so deep in the water. You had so much draft. Okay. There's a lot of jet ski in the underwater. Even at speed, there's a lot of jet ski in the water. That's why it cuts through rough water so smooth. Because it's not on top of the water, it's in it. Does that make sense? Have I lost anyone? Good. All right. So what did K-Speed do? K-Speed just put a pump wedge in that forced the nozzle, forced it up. Okay. So the ski is going horizontal, but pushing its way out. So it's trying to get a little less draft, little less, not a lot, but a little less, and free up some drag. Well, now they've got a new ride plate. Okay. About 2 years ago, they perfected their ride plate, which eliminates the use for the pump wedge. And the ride plate does basically this. And it just goes whoop, pops the nose out. Now they're going 79 miles an hour with a stage 1.5 or stage 2 kit. And that's a big, heavy ski going almost 80 miles an hour out in the ocean. So I think it's 77 in like ocean conditions, which I'm like, dude, anyone who's been 75 for longer than 5 minutes, and I mean 5 minutes. I'm not talking like, hey, give me 5 minutes. No. I'm talking 5 minutes straight, white-knuckled, throttle to the stop in the ocean, straight line, 75 miles an hour. Real racers who've really competed offshore, 75 miles an hour out on the ocean is your hair's on fire. It's screaming. So I'm not talking, ooh, I goosed it. Look at me. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm so fast. No. I'm talking, dude, not letting go. And you're like, I'm either going to die or this ski is going to grenade underneath me. All right. I raced offshore for 10 years, and I do not have the stones to white knuckle like that. Okay. I have on some occasions when it was glassy rollers, but I've been in some conditions where 40 miles an hour felt like you were going to die. So, anyway, let's move on. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.